Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to prepare a typical Jamaican Sunday morning breakfast. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So here I have my callaloo that I prepared ahead of time. So ensure that your callaloo is fully cooled so that when you add your callaloo into your dough, it will not spoil the dough. Also, ensure that you drain all the liquid. So here in my bowl, I prepared my dough ahead of time. I rested it for half an hour so that the gluten will be developed. So as you can see guys, my dough looks soft. So I will leave all the ingredients in the description box that I use in this recipe. So everybody knows how to prepare to make their dough, but I will still list the ingredients in the description box. So if you prepare yours different from mine, don't worry about it guys. Remember, it's your kitchen, alright? So I removed my dough and placed it on a cutting board. Also guys, I placed 2 cutting sheets below the cutting board that I will be working on. When I'm using flour, I am very messy, so that's why I place the cutting sheets underneath the cutting board. So here I am just working my dough, and then I'm gonna form it into a ball. But ensure that you sprinkle a little flour on your dough, because mine was a bit sticky. So it's gonna be hard to work with a sticky dough, so you have to add some flour first before you roll it into a ball. So I will be dividing mine into 6 parts or 6 pieces. You can divide yours into more. Reason being, I am a bit tired guys, and also I can't bother to stay long to fry the dumplings. So when I make some big ones, I finish faster. Okay, so you can always make yours smaller. That's just my preference. So I am going to remove the rest and just work with one. So ensure that you cover the 5 that is left so that they will not dry out. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit more flour on the dough as I will be working with now. Also ensure that you add some flour on your rolling pin so that when you are rolling the dough, it will not stick. Alright, so the flour will prevent the dough from sticking to the rolling pin. So here I'm just rolling the dough, but ensure that you don't roll it thin. Just like how I'm showing you, that's how you're supposed to roll it. So after I'm finished rolling the dough, I am going to add some callaloo. I'm gonna fill the dough with callaloo, but do not overfill your dough. I love callaloo though guys, so I like to add like 1.5 teaspoon of callaloo. You can always add 1, but do not over add the callaloo. Alright, so here I'm just sealing the dough. Ensure that you seal it very well. So take note of what I am doing here so that you seal it properly. So guys, this is my second time making the recipe. So I'm not perfect at it, but the more you try, the better you become. So if you try this recipe guys and you're not fully perfect, remember you can always keep trying. It's a very delicious recipe, and the more you try it, the better you become, as I said earlier. So just keep trying. All right, and remember to give me a feedback if you try the recipe also. So guys, I am finished prepping my dumplings, and as you can see, they are very big. But as I said earlier, you can always do yours smaller. So I am going to set them aside, and then I'm going to heat the oil for frying. So guys, here I have my oil on the stove. So I will be frying mine on a medium flame. I don't want to fry too high and then they fry on the outside and on the inside don't fully cook. So I like to add my dumplings from the middle, then I go around the sides. Alright, so I don't know which order you put your dumplings in, but I think this way is the best way. But you know, everybody has their own way of cooking, so I won't judge. Alright, so as you can see guys, I'm adding all of my dumplings into the pot. You don't have to do that. It's because I couldn't bother to stand the whole time and fry in batches. You know, I can't bother with that. So guys, I have a daughter, so she don't like her dumplings with the callaloo in it. She like to eat them separately, so I made 2 for her. So I'm just gonna fry them on a medium flame, as I said earlier, probably about 3 to 4 minutes on one side. So here I'm just turning them onto the other side. So at this point, you know, the oil is very hot, so I'm gonna reduce it to a low so that, you know, the temperature of the oil can drop a little. So I like to turn my dumplings occasionally so that one side doesn't have a brighter color than the other. So as time goes by, you will see me doing that. But you know guys, this is how I fry my dumplings. You may fry yours differently, but guess what guys, no matter how you fry the dumpling up, if you want it is soft and it's delicious, I have no problem with it because I love my fried dumplings very soft. So I just turn the dumplings on the side because I like when my side is fully fried. So I remove the small ones first because you know they cook faster. So in total, I fried my dumplings for about 8 minutes. So as you can see guys, some of my callaloo is showing. But don't worry about that guys. You know, the more you do it, the better you become. So if you're fried for the first time and it happens to you, no problem guys. We're all human beings and we make mistakes. And you know, the more you do something, the better you become. So, you know, I'm just enjoying the food. Whether you can see the callaloo or not, it's still gonna be delicious. Alright, so I'm just removing all my fried dumplings from the oil. So I hope you're enjoying the video. If you do, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Also click the subscribe button if you are new. So guys, my stuffed callaloo fried dumpling is all done. I am having mine with some fried plantains. I hope you enjoyed the video. As I said earlier, please remember to share the video. I really appreciate it guys. Also subscribe if you're new and stick around guys for more videos. See you next time. Bye.